Hey guys, please check out this beautiful new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Very rare, hard to find. 2012 Toyota Sienna XLE, all-wheel drive. Beautiful looking minivan in great shape. It's got clean CARFAX, no accidents. Very nice and clean looking body. Very well kept and maintained. Front row ready. It's been detailed and inspected. Brand new brakes and rotors on this vehicle. Tinted windows, roof rack, alloy wheels. Very nice all matching tires. It runs and drives great. It is all-wheel drive, guys. It's got 121,000 miles on it. Fog lamps, HID headlights. Runs and drives great. Let's take a peek inside. It is fully loaded inside. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, JBL premium sound system with a factory wood trim, leather interior, nice and clean, power seats and heated seats, Bluetooth. No warning lights on the dash. It's got 121,000 miles on it. Beautiful, nice and clean dashboard. No issues, no problems. Traction controls, got parking sensors, aux, USB, navigation, rear view camera, automatic climate control, automatic transmission, push start button. As I said, it's got heated seats. Nice, clean, well maintained, not smoking, no odors inside. Clean headliner with a sunroof. Beautiful, beautiful all-wheel drive. 2012 Toyota Sienna XLE. Power sliding doors, guys. Everything works as you can see. Both sides. Power lift gate. It's got captain chairs, reclining chairs, which is very, very comfortable while you guys driving long distance. And here's your entertainment for your kids, so they can enjoy movies while you guys driving. And of course we got third row seating in great shape as well. 7-passenger minivan, well kept, well maintained, front row ready. So if you guys have any questions, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. If you'd like to do credit application, please go ahead and fill it out on our website. Financing is available. Beautiful looking body, very nice color combination. Alloy wheels in a great shape, they're free of scuffs. Nice tires, all matching, all around. Let me just go ahead and open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Here you go. Nice and clean under the hood as well. V6 3.5 liter engine, all-wheel drive, front row ready. 2012 Toyota Sienna XLE, all-wheel drive, 121K, clean CARFAX, front row ready. Please call us with any questions, 847-496-4250. Now check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Financing is available. Or simply stop by and visit our store. We're located in Palatine at 2232 North Rand Road, Palatine, Illinois. And we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a great day.